Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Mochi on Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your App Store. Once installed, you'll need to fund your wallet. You can do this by transferring Ethereum or another compatible cryptocurrency from a different exchange or wallet. Make sure you have enough funds to cover both the Mochi purchase and any associated network gas fees. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transaction. Next, open the D-App browser directly within your Coinbase wallet. This built-in browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications. Search for a reputable decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap or SushiSwap, which supports the Mochi token. Once on the exchange's website, locate the Connect Wallet button and select Coinbase Wallet to link your account securely. Now that your wallet is connected, you can search for the Mochi token. It's best to use the official contract address to ensure you're buying the correct asset. Input the amount of Ethereum you want to exchange for Mochi. The exchange will show you the equivalent amount of Mochi you'll receive. Carefully review all transaction details, including potential slippage and gas fees, before approving the swap. After approving the swap, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. You can usually view its status directly within your Coinbase wallet or by using a blockchain explorer. Once confirmed, your newly acquired Mochi tokens will appear in your wallet's asset list. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased Mochi. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.